Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Women stylish and beautiful crochet poncho designs, beautiful designing ideas, new designs, new ideas, new collection, trendy and beautiful crochet women stylish poncho designs, poncho ideas. Poncho designs and cap shawl designs, women stylish cap shawls. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of cap shawls. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women stylish and beautiful crochet poncho designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet poncho designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. See beautiful designing ideas, color combination contrasts. You can wear these very beautiful scarf designs with your matching shirt designs, matching blouse designs, matching top designs, skirt designs. Highly running ideas for you. So friends, please subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.